Hello children, good morning. How are you? So I hope you have done your good morning rhyme, prayers, you have done your phonic drill, days of the week, months of the year. You have done revision of your community helper, that is sweeper, and hero of the month, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So today we are going to read a story. I'll read a story to you. So the story name is Pied Piper of Hamelin. You must have read or heard about this story about rats, a boy who is playing a flute. So let us see what this story is. So once upon a time in a little village, Hamelin. What is the village name? Hamelin. There were lots of rats. See, can you see these small rats? So there were lots of rats. They ate all the food. So whatever food was available in that village, in houses or in shops or in anywhere, it was eaten by these rats. They were spoiling the food. So people of that village were very upset. They were very upset. They were worried because these rats were troubling them. So what happened? A Pied Piper came to the village. Who is a Pied Piper? Can you see this boy? He is playing a flute. He is called the Pied Piper. A Pied Piper came to the village and decided to help the people. He wanted to help these troubled people in the village. He played a mesmerizing tune. What is a mesmerizing tune? It is very soothing, nice to hear. Very nice to hear. You feel good when you hear a mesmerizing tune, okay? And all the rats started following him. So what happened? He was playing continuously this flute. Rats were enjoying it. So this boy, what he did, he started walking, okay? And all these rats also started following him because they were enjoying this flute played by this boy. So then what happened? Let us see. Now he continuously played the flute. He kept on playing the flute and walked into the sea. He walked into the sea, in the water, dragging the rats. So what happened? He was walking, the rats were following. He went into the sea and the rats also went in the sea. So what happened? All the rats went to the sea. They drowned in the water. Okay. So, but when he did not receive his promised reward, so when he was doing this boy had done all this, he was promised something, some reward that he will get in return from the village. So the mayor who had promised this reward from the mayor, he played his flute again. So what happened when he decided to help this village people? The mayor of the village had promised to give some reward, some gift, some return thing, okay, to the boy. But what happened? The mayor did not do that. He did not, fulfill his promise. So then what the boy did? See, this time the boy started playing the flute again, and this time all the children followed. What happened? All the young small children like you in the village, they started following the boy. So now what will happen? See, the rats followed. He walked into the sea and the rats drowned. They were drowned. They were killed. They went into the water. So now who is following the boy? Children are following the boy. So now this time the mayor realized his fault. The mayor, he realized his fault. He made a mistake. When you have promised something, you have to give that. And begged for forgiveness. So the mayor begged for forgiveness. He said, sorry, I made a mistake. You have, we had a very big problem of rats in the village. You have resolved our problem and we should give you what we have promised. Right? So then the Pied Piper returned back with all the children. He didn't go into the sea. He returned back. Okay? And got all his reward of 10,000 gold coins. So this was the reward promised by the mayor, that he got the reward of 10,000 gold coins. Understood, children? So what do we learn from this story? One thing is that we should help. If everyone you see around, anyone is in need, then what you should do? You should help. If someone needy person is there, someone is in a trouble, and if you can solve their problem, you should help. And if you have promised something, to someone, you should not break that promise. If you have helped someone, if you have done something, you have promised something, you should give that to them. Okay? Okay, children, I hope you understood the story. Please listen to the story again and again. Understand. Okay? If you have any queries, you can call me. Bye bye.